Hi everyone, welcome back. Festive seasons are going on and today we will see a quick and delicious party starter recipe. So in this video we will discover how to give baby corn a sizzling grilled makeover that enhances its natural sweetness and adds a smoky flavor that will blow your taste buds away. So let's see how to make grilled tandoori baby corn recipe, which should be healthy and at the same time delicious and therefore a great recipe to impress your guests at any parties. And here I have taken some baby corns which I have blanched in salt water for hardly a minute. And now we shall make the tandoori batter to coat the baby corns. For that we'll take a bowl and into it goes 3 tablespoons of hung curd. Next goes a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. For binding, I will add 1 tablespoon of roasted besan or gram flour. For seasoning, we'll add some salt as per taste, followed by some spices. Here goes 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam masala powder, some crushed Kasoori methi leaves. Then goes the juice of half a lime and around a teaspoon of mustard oil. And now we need to mix all the ingredients well until they are well combined. And we need to keep the batter thick so that they coat well with the baby corns. And our flavorful tandoori batter is also ready. And now into this tandoori batter we will add the baby corns and coat them well with this batter. See to it that they are coated well with this tandoori batter from all the sides. And in the same way, I will coat the remaining baby corns with the tandoori batter. I'll create some space in the center of the bowl so that I can place a steel bowl. And into this, I will add a burnt charcoal. We'll pour some oil or ghee on top of it and immediately cover it with a lid, which will impart a smoky flavor to our tandoori baby corns, and we will let them rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. And to start with the grilling process, I will grease some oil in my cast iron grill pan and brush the oil evenly on all the sides of the pan. And when the pan is hot enough, I will place the marinated tandoori baby corns one by one, leaving some gap in between. After about a minute, we will flip the baby corns and grill the other side for another 1 to 2 minutes or until they are done. I'll now brush some oil on the baby corns so that they don't dry out in the grilling process. Let's check the baby corns now. And as you can see, the baby corns are grilled well from both the sides. So we'll take them off and serve them hot right away. And here goes our quick, easy and delicious grilled tandoori baby corns on the serving plate. Serve them hot and enjoy with your favorite dip, and garnish with some onion rings and lemon wedges to complete the dish. So friends, do try this amazing recipe and subscribe to my channel to check out my other party starters and grilled recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.